To get great in the examinations, a fine finish is required, and how I accomplished that finish is what this video is all about. Namaste everyone, this is Abhinandan Patidar, first year MBBS student at MGMMC Indore, and in this video I would be sharing with you guys the revision strategy that I adopted 2 months prior to the examination. So before we move any further, I just want to make this clear that don't waste your time watching this video or any videos of this kind if you are already having one. And if you are having your own strategy and you have considerable confidence for it, then definitely go for it, because rather than being generalized, it would be a more personalized ones, because all the videos that you are catering for on YouTube are more generalized than being personalized. So your strategy will be a more personalized ones, and definitely it would be better. Now what I am going to share in this video is not any advice of any kind, but it is how I did my preparations, and if you find this convincing, then adopt it, otherwise strictly stick to yours. So by revision strategy I strictly mean revision, because at this point of time I believe that your courses might have completed at least for once, and so was mine. So it is a 5-day complete revision strategy with an exception of biology, which I revised only half in a span of 5 days, that is either 11th or 12th I took up in a span of 5 days. So let us begin with biology. So at this point of time, that is only 2 months are remaining for the examination, I believe that you are done with NCERT in all terms, and so was I. So what I did was I simply read NCERT slowly in the starting, and gradually with increased speed as the number of revision passed, as the number of revision increased. And to be precise with the time, initially it took me 45 minutes at an average to read a chapter, and later I reduced the time to 30 minutes. Actually it was not me who reduced the time, the reduction in time was spontaneous because of this repeated revisions. So since I did coaching, I was also parallelly giving the major tests. So if you want to have confidence for the NEET examination, a good score in that major tests is must. And to get good in the major test, at least in biology, you need to remember many more examples outside the NCERT, that is from the module, for which I literally had no time, and I believe that many of you might find this situation relatable. So what I did was, for this purpose, I just flashed the pages and having an eye at the highlighted ones. So this activity took me 5 minutes extra after the NCERT revision that I mentioned earlier. So this took me 5 minutes extra, although it didn't got me all the points, all the extra points, but I gathered much of the confidence from this activity. So you might prefer, or you may leave it also. So this was all about the biology. So before we jump on to our physics strategy, I just want you guys to be aware of the fact that for biology had a share of 2 days of the total 5 days of complete revision. Now for physics was the easiest, at least from the revision point of view, and it took me 1.5 days for complete revision of physics. Now if we look at if we solve question of all the questions of each and every chapter, then it would never work. So what I did was I solved a particular set of questions from each chapter that contains questions of each type, and for the set of questions that I talked about are nothing but the beginner box, the illustrations, and the exercises, that is exercise 1, 2 and 3 that we have in the module. Now at a time I solved any one of them. For example, for the first revision example I solved the illustrations, and for the next and the so on I would be solving the other ones. Now if we talk about solving few questions also, we will never complete the whole, we will never be able to complete the whole syllabus, because if you are solving a few questions also, 1.5 day is very short time to complete each and every one. So I solved as much question as I could for one day. I solved as much as I could, and these were definitely the topics that I found weak. So for one day I solved the questions, and for next half day what I did was I just looked at the formulas of the remaining chapter. So in this way the whole physics syllabus was covered with more emphasis on the weak topics. So this was all about the physics. So now coming to chemistry. So chemistry was also not much different from physics, and also I gave 1.5 days to chemistry. So like physics and chemistry, what I did was, at a time I gave importance to any one of the three, that is either organic, inorganic or physical. For example, if today I am doing organic, then what I will do for inorganic and physical is that I will just look at the formulas. So in this way, in 5 days span, I completed the nearly whole syllabus of physics, whole syllabus of chemistry, and nearly half that of biology. Now if we consider our span as of 60 days, that is 2 months, then the number of times I revised the whole syllabus was, that is 60 divided by 5, that is 12 times. So the number of times I revised the whole syllabus was about 12 times. So now this is the theoretical aspect of the revision strategy which I have shared. Now if we talk about the practical aspects or the experimental aspects, so keeping the distractions in mind, definitely I was distracted till that time also, and if you are facing them, then definitely it's super normal. You need not to afraid of this in any way. So keeping in mind the distractions, I would say that I was about 80% efficient in following this strategy. So if 80% is the efficiency, then with the 12 times the whole syllabus completion in 60 days, then it is not bad. It's definitely a fact that what matters the most is the amount of hard work that you have put throughout the course of your preparation. But definitely the revision strategy that you adopt during the last time of your preparation has a great impact on how much of the data you have retained of all that you have learned. So this was all about my strategy, and if you find anything adaptable from this stuff, then definitely let me know it in the comment sections. And also each like on the video would be considered as a symbol of viewer satisfaction. Thank you.